because like, I know, but I was in this like stupid thing of being like scared of him just not wanting to shoot me. Like obviously I needed to know I had a job in forever. Like it's just ridiculous.
Yeah, but then okay, so how long did it take?
What? I was just need to like go through it because I honestly, it was like all a bit of a blur actually. So it was like in front of the camera and everything's fine, right? Like we're shooting and like he's like being really positive. Like it was getting a bit weird some of the positions, but I was like whatever. And he was like
Positions.
And I was like, okay, yeah, I'll walk around the back of the So yeah, then he wanted me to look at the pictures. So I went round to his side of the camera and it was so weird. Like he just so slowly put his hand around my back.
Why didn't you call me?
Well, obviously I wasn't
Yeah,
going to call
like I
you.
met over
This is the
that
problem.
training
This is
week.
what I'm having in my head.
Yeah,
I
I was falling around like for the
I
whole
should
week.
have obviously done something. I should have stopped.
So like,
it,
park that there for a second,
I
okay?
needed
Cut forward 2 months later.
the shoot. Like,
Do you remember that girl,
so
Jane, whose
just,
number I was trying to get off of
Am I
you?
wrong? No, it wasn't wrong. Like I obviously.
Yeah.
Of course you're not wrong.
Yeah, before you got to
I-
Australia,
I-
we finally gave it. I was like, I sent her a message. Grand.
I just feel like.
We'll go for a few drinks, right? Now, we're having a drink. She's asking me, like, where do you work? I say, I work at Casey's. And she says, no way. I was chatting to a guy, like, 2 weeks ago who said he worked for Casey's. I was like, okay, interesting.